Welcome to Newport, everybody. My name is Andy with BoatworksToday. Main focus for my channel with BoatworksToday is the things that make your boat structurally sound as well as look awesome. I've been in this doing this type of work for over almost 25 years now. What kind of bothered me is that there were a lot of people that just weren't in the position where they could afford, to have their work contracted out. And I didn't think that was right. I mean, the whole point for boating, in my opinion, is to be able to get out on the water. There was a limiting factor of being able to do the work that needed to be done on your boat. So I thought, well, someone's willing to put in the work. There's no reason they can't have the access to the information to do those repairs safely and correctly. So that was the whole start for starting my channel. The products from TotalBoat have been proven to be the best that I've worked with. I'm using a lot of their epoxies, their polyester resins, their fairing compounds, the best materials that I've come across in 20 plus years of doing this type of work. It's flawless. Everybody here that's involved with TotalBoat has been absolutely amazing. If there's ever a question, they've got the answer for you. If it works, it works. And it always works.